Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix a black screen on Netflix. We get to break down the common solutions. Now the basic steps are: 1. Using the easiest step, restart your device. This is often the simplest solution. Just power off your device completely, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. Second thing you can do is to check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Run a speed test to confirm sufficient bandwidth. You can also restart your home network by unplugging your modem and router. Wait 30 seconds, then plug them back in one by one. You can also update your Netflix app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Netflix app installed on your device. Then if that doesn't work, sign out of your Netflix account and then sign back in. Now this is the general way of doing it, but let me be more specific to your device. If you're using a smart TV, this is how you do it. 1. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input source, usually HDMI, for your streaming device. Next, you turn off your TV completely, unplug it for a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Now if you're streaming, using a streaming device like Roku, Fire TV, etc., what do? First one, you can force stop or restart your app. Depending on your device, you might be able to force stop the Netflix app and then restart it. Next thing you can do is reinstall the app. If force stopping it doesn't work, you can simply reinstall the app. That is, uninstall it and then reinstall the Netflix app. Now if you're using a game console, what do? Game consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, what do? You can restart your console's power cycle completely. Then the next thing, you check your game updates. Make sure or ensure that your console software is up to date. What if you're using a Blu-ray player? This is a solution. Check your disc compatibility. If you're using a Blu-ray player with Netflix, make sure it is compatible with Netflix app. Let me give you some additional tips. Always check for service outages. If the problem persists, check the Netflix status page for any reported outages. You can also contact Netflix support if you have tried all of the above and are still experiencing issues. If you've tried all the steps of giving and still experiencing issues, simply contact Netflix support, the customer support, for further assistance. And if you're still having trouble, please provide the full information to them. Then the device you're using, the maker model of your device, and any error message that appeared. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.